I'm here with Benjamin Beltran. Benjamin, we've worked together for a long time. We've installed a lot of roofs together. We've installed a lot of different shingles. We've seen how things have kind of advanced and progressed through the years. And you and I have both kind of agreed on this for a few years now, the Owens Corning products. And what are some of the reasons that you guys like installing them? What are some of the benefits?
The reason why I like Owens Corning better is because the granules seem to be like more compact than the other brands. Also, in the summer, the shingles tend to get hot and you step on them and sometimes they can get all messy. These shingles, I think, hold the granules in it better than the other brands. And they're easier to install them. I think this strip, gives you a pretty good line for your nailing.
Yeah, don't have to worry about your gun settings quite as much and blow-throughs. The other nice thing that I think, and you probably agree on too, is the lot colors. Like not being a big issue. We know with some of the other manufacturers that we install, lots are a serious issue. It's not like you can't necessarily just go run to the store and grab a bundle and have it match, you know, what you're installing today. There could be a color difference there, and then, you know, obviously that causes go backs and stuff like that. So I appreciate it. Appreciate these guys. They're out here about finished up on this install, so